Hey loves, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's currently raining outside. I don't know if you guys hear like the swooshing, and I don't know like if you see the mirror in the back. I don't move it along, but like how I was like, it's a little embarrassing. My room is a little bit dirty, just like a tad, nothing crazy. It was way crazy before, but anyways, this is not what we're here for. Today I'm going to do a little unboxing with you guys and a little side-by-side comparison of the cameras I use to record my YouTube videos. So I actually use my iPhone XR. I do use the back camera because I don't like, people looking into like the screen and things like that. And also the back camera quality the back camera quality is much better than the front, so that's why I use the back. And I have no problem not being able to see myself for the simple fact that the other camera I used to have was just like that. That is why I purchased this brand new camera. I know you guys are waiting for me to say it. I got the Canon G7x Mark II. I've wanted this camera for so long, for a year, since I got my last camera, which I will show you guys in a few. My last camera is a Canon PowerShot 350. I don't even know. I don't even know where my camera is. Oh, on my bed somewhere. The Canon PowerShot, I think 5 something or 3 something. I don't remember. But that camera, I got that one in 10th grade, and it wasn't that good. Like, the quality was alright. It was a really cheap camera though, so I was able to, save up for it. I wasn't really trying to save up for it, but I had like a little tiny internship job that paid me. So I got that camera. I got my camera now, my G7x Mark II, on Amazon. And I got it for, it was like 500, almost 600, and plus taxes it came up to like 6 something. But it is a bundle, so it comes with the camera, it comes with extra battery, I don't know, a whole bunch of things. So let's get on into that, the whole unboxing part, and then after I'll show you guys a comparison of the cameras so you guys can see what looks better side by side. So here is the box. I actually did open it already because I came from California and I had a whole bunch of things. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna open it up. Not because I knew it was a camera, but because I didn't know what it was. It's been a week. It's been a whole entire week. And I have not even opened up the camera. I haven't opened up anything at all, and I've been itching to make this video just so I can be able to see what it looks like for myself. So first thing I want to show you guys actually is this case that I got for the camera. It was not included in the bundle. That's why I want to show it first so I can take it out. But I also got this on Amazon, probably for like $10 or something like that. The next thing I want to show you guys is this tripod that comes with the bundle that I have. Yeah, here it is. This is like, the ones that they use. This is like the ones that they use to like vlog and whatnot. It is flexible. Oh, nice. I thought it would like make snappy noises, But this is real cute. And it seems, very strong. Like it's not going to break on me or whatever. It even has a little leveler so you know if the camera is straight or crooked or not. Nice, so cute. Next in the bundle is this little cleaning kit thingy here. Essential photo kit. Does it come with another tripod? These tripods are really small. Like they're like things you use with your hands. Does that make sense? Things what's the word I'm looking for? It has this little thing here. I guess it's a duster. It has a little alcohol poly thingy. I don't know. screen protectors. Oh, I'm like, what in the world is this? This is to put your SIM cards, SD cards. I keep saying SIM cards. I don't know if it's a difference or the same thing, but yeah, you know what I mean. Little wipies for it, little Q-tips to clean lenses, a little pack thingy where you put your SD card in. That's what this is. And it does come with a little mini tripod. This is so cute. This is so freaking cute. I love this. Oh my god. I love this. It's so cute. It comes in the little box here. I'm not sure what this is. I don't know. Another spray bottle. I don't know which one is alcohol or not. And then last but not least, this is the little SD card thingy. Put it in this way and then you connect this side to your laptop or any USB port. That's all that came in this little kit, essential kit. So that's a lot of stuff for this camera because this is one of the cheaper ones that I found, and you know, it comes with stuff. Other ones did not come with anything at all. It was just a bare camera and it was more than this. So that is a good deal, hopefully. This also was in the entire box, not that little essential box. This is just a portable camera case. It even has straps for it and all that, so you can put it in there. You have an extra battery. I believe this is extra because inside of the box there should be one, so if there's not, we'll find out. But which is actually really good because you can have this one charging while you're recording. If this one dies, you already have this one charged. Boom. I love having extra batteries. There's this cord here that I'm not really sure what it's for, maybe HDMI. It also came with an extra SD card. I think it's extra. I'm not sure. I don't know what exactly is inside of the camera box alone, but yeah, there's a camera here. I mean, whoa, SD card here, and it's 64 gigabytes. So now onto the juicy part, what everyone has been waiting for. I'm so excited. So here is the camera. Look at this box. Isn't this box so cute? I love it. Now to open it up, it has a little flappy right here. Remove the flappy. Oh, I wanna, you know, share this experience with you guys. So let me do it over here. I think this is the right way to open it, right? Okay, okay. The first thing you see is literally the camera. I'm gonna hold it off to the side. Wow, it's heavy. It's really heavy. Alright, so yes, in the box itself of the camera, it comes with the charging port. And you bloop in the wall, or you know, whatever, outlet. A battery comes with the straps that you put on the camera to hold it. Let's go on into the camera. It looks like a meal. Like I'm about to pull out some food. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Look at it. I'm gonna cry. It's so pretty. It's so nice and small, and it looks like wow, like classy. I don't know what I'm flicking over here, but I'm flicking something and I don't even know what I'm touching. Should I put my case on it? Let's put the SD card. It's like right here at the bottom. You gotta flick it down. My other one is like you just pull it out, but I like this one better, of course. See, like it doesn't close unless you flick the lock. Shall we turn her on? I'm pretty sure this, okay, it opens up like this, and I can pull it out and put it like this, I believe. Alright guys, are you ready? Are you guys ready? Power on. Okay, I forgot. I knew I had to do this, but I totally forgot. I have to set the time and date. But what is this? What time is it? Truthfully. Alright, let me cut this off. I need to find the time. I'm back. I'm back. You have to put the time on like military time. So that's that. But she is on, y'all. She is on. Wow, and the focus, yeah, the battery is dying. Like it's dying. But let me see myself real quick. That's gonna be the real reveal. Wowzers! Oh my god, guys, I'm gonna cry. All right, so let me record a little. Where's the record button? Okay, so you guys can see like side to side. Change, zoom, magnify. I could zoom in. Wow, this quality is like, oh my god. Like right here is literally like, oh my god. Let me see if I put the light down or up. If it's going, wow, and like the background is like blurry and all. I'm sorry, I'm shaking you guys. I mean, I'm pretty sure that on my camera I do look more tan. I love this quality. Wow. Oh my god. So I know I look more tan on the phone because the phone does that, like, you know, picks up more like yellow tones, but this right here is like, hey there. All right, so I'm gonna pause this real quick. So, you know, you guys saw, you can see the difference and all that. So what I'm gonna do now is compare it to my Canon PowerShot 530. So this one is on touchscreen, the viewfinder is here, I can't put it up. This one was like $200. All right, so you see the quality of this one, the one I'm looking into right now, PowerShot, no, G7x, and this one right here is PowerShot. So you guys be the judges. I mean, I'll judge it when I finally get to editing, but I know for one that it's going to be, I don't know if I'm even recording myself good on this one, but I know it's going to be very hard to look at myself and not, I mean, look at the camera and not look at myself in the viewfinder. But I love being able to see myself because wow, this is amazing. So yeah, let me just conclude the video here. Hopefully I got enough footage for you guys so you guys can see the difference of the cameras. If you're just starting off and you know you just want a simple camera, honestly the PowerShot was not bad to me, which is this one. She is a big boy. She is, yeah, a big boy. She's a big body. So you feel like, you know, she's gonna record real nice or whatever, and she does. Like, it's not bad. I do all of my selfies that I take that are on my Instagram, which you guys should follow me on. All the selfies that I have on my Instagram, like, you know, they're not pictures taken of me, that is like me taking them. Those pictures are all from my PowerShot. So it isn't bad quality. It's just not like the crispest of quality, and the whole viewfinder thing was honestly like a turn off for me. I really wanted to be able to see myself because, like, even though you can hear when it stops recording and things like that, I couldn't see that. And sometimes I would be recording and I didn't hear that it stopped, and I would just keep on going and I didn't notice, you know what I mean? So yeah, hopefully now with this new camera I can show you guys, you know, more content and better quality as well. So yeah, I hope that is what is to come. Yeah, and I think I'm going to end this video here before I start yapping a bunch. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, because if you want to see more content that I hope to be doing, you need to start putting me in my places. Nah, let me stop. But you know, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, if you want this camera, give this video a thumbs up, because I know a lot of people want this camera for like vlogging and things like that, and it's a beautiful camera. You can see the quality of the camera and the quality of its images just by looking at it. Like, isn't this so pretty? So pretty, so cute. I hope you guys saw, you know, the back and forth or whatever, the separations in the quality. Hope you guys like this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Hopefully the next video is a hair tutorial, not of my curly hair, because my curly hair is a little crazy, but a wig install, because I do have that coming up. This just took me a very long time because I was so busy with my orders, and I know a lot of you guys came from TikTok too. So if you're watching this, girl, you got your liners. Look, I got the pink one on right now. But anyways, yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share, whatever. Do all of that. Follow me everywhere. Shop Yay Beauty. And yeah, I hope to see you guys recording with this camera. And if you want to purchase, make sure you look in the description box below. I will be putting the link to the one that I bought. Bye, loves.